Good morning, EF4A. How are you? I hope you had a great weekend and you rested and you had a good time and took your mind off school and learning for some time. I definitely had a very good time. I've seen some of my friends, of course, in a very safe way, social distancing and wearing face masks. So it was a really good weekend for me. So I do hope you had a similarly good weekend, even if you had to stay inside. All right, guys, we have a couple of weeks left of school, so please do give it your final good push so you can have good final marks. Um, yeah, so today is Sunday. Basically, we're starting a new week, so hope you're reset in the weekend. Okay, guys, so what is happening today? Your first lesson is spelling and handwriting. In spelling, you will be spelling words that are starting with the prefix X. These words you should be pretty much familiar with them, so they will be easy to define and put into sentences. Guys, you will have 1 week to submit your spelling activities as usual. However, please do not leave it until the last day, and definitely don't let me remind you that you still have spelling to submit. Guys, please. I can see who's submitting it early, who's being responsible, and who is just leaving it until the very last moment and forgetting about it. All right, then we will have handwriting. Handwriting has to be submitted today, that's for sure. And I will also post the workbook practice, sorry, the workbook practice pages. You will also have 1 week, but as I said, please do try to do this in the first half of the week. Do not leave it until Thursday because you always end up having too much to do, and then I have to end up chasing people for their work. And honestly, I am tired of that. And your final marks will depend on how you've been doing your work, whether I had to remind you many times that you have something missing or not. Anyway, second and third lesson is according to your own timetables. Please check them and make sure you're in your lessons wherever you're supposed to be, maybe on Teams. And the fourth lesson is science. In science, we're again talking about the sound and pitches. Please do, I hope you do remember that pitch is how high or low a sound is and what kind of things make high-pitched sounds and what kind of things make low-pitched sounds. So that's what the lesson will be about. You'll have work in your CGP workbook, no need to submit anything on ClassDojo. And then your fifth lesson will be maths. Maths, it's again fractions, guys. I had a couple of you asking me for extra fraction worksheets, but of course it was the weekend. I haven't sent anything, but we continue learning about fractions anyway, so I think you just might as well be good with just the lessons. So you will be focusing of fractions of amounts, unit fractions of amounts, using division facts, okay? So to find amounts of fractions, okay, you will be using division in today's lesson. There is no need to submit anything on ClassDojo. Guys, our meeting will be in our last lesson together today. Our last lesson is maths, the fifth lesson. So our meeting will take place at 12:35. So please be ready at 12:35 on Teams. Right, I actually forgot that we never did a white day. I completely forgot about this color. So please, if you can, dress up in something white so we can have a white day on Teams. And regarding the riddle, so your Thursday's riddle was how do C's say hello to each other? Basically, they wave, okay, because they create waves, so they wave, yeah. So most of you said they wave. Zohaib, they say hello, okay, thank you. Yalmaz, high tides, they give high five to each other, okay. Waves, oceans safe, oceans wave, yes. Ira, oceans by waves. Most of you said waves. All right, brilliant. Guys, as I said, please just do make sure that you just answer the first thing that comes into your mind, whatever it is, absolutely no judgment, okay? Your riddle for today that I would like you to comment under this post, comment on under this post is, sorry, just a second. Yeah, you know the baseball mitt, okay? What did the baseball glove say to the ball? Once again, what did the baseball glove say to the ball? Okay, just think about it and comment under this post, please. And as usual, inspirational quote for today. So the quote for today says, learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow, by Albert Einstein. What do they mean by this quote? There are lessons from your past that can be valuable to your growth as a human being. Make sure you know what they are. So guys, learn from yesterday. So always reflect on your past mistakes, the things that you have done in the past, and try to learn from them. For example, if you feel that you did something wrong a couple of months ago, just think about a way how to avoid these mistakes in the future. Live for today. Living in the moment means that you are present and aware. Okay, always enjoy the moments in the present, and hoping for a better tomorrow always gives you a chance to stay optimistic and for good things to come. Okay, and this is like basically a successful way to think about life. This is how you will be successful in life and build good friendships with people. All right, guys, that's it from me for today. See you on Teams at 12:35. Hope you have a good day. Hope you have a great start of the week. See you later.